guys, welcome to Creativity Area. Today we are going to see another video. Let's watch. Hi guys, today we are going to make Fizzy Ooblack. If you have not seen the first video how to make regular Ooblack, you have to see in the I button. So let's start. Now it's time to make Fizzy Ooblack. We have need baking powder, vinegar. I will add some food coloring, cornstarch. So first I will add some white vinegar. A little bit. Okay. Now we need some cornstarch. Cornstarch is the main ingredient to make any kind of food. Let's mix it. Now I will add some food color. You can see some reaction there. Bubbles. And now we have to add some baking soda to make it more fizzy. You know what happens when we add baking soda to vinegar. That's it. See, you can see the reaction. It's bubbling. It's going to be so nice. Now it's starting to react. You can see. That's so much. Now you can play with it. So let's take a big scoop. Oh, you can feel that bubbling in your hand. And it's also like a normal oobleck. When you leave it, it just flows. I can feel that gently. Wow, I can just feel the bubbling. It's so nice. It's like Oobleck 2.0. This is like Oobleck 2.1 or 1.0. I'm going to take this too. It's so nice. I'm going to play with it. It does have normal Oobleck feature. When you are beating it hard, my finger does not go in so quickly. And I would take and show you. I can't take it. It's very hard. You can see that's a big scoop and it turned to liquid. Oh wow, that's so satisfying. You can see that's a big, like a clay it is. Now when I leave it, it just becomes very good. It's so nice. Wow. So this is how you make a oobleck. And one more thing, you can play with this and it's also not toxic because we have not used any toxic substances. But I would not recommend testing this one. You'll get a stomach pain if you eat too much. And you can store it. You can play with it about 2 weeks if you store it rightly. You have to keep it in an airtight container. And when you are not playing, you have to keep it in an airtight container and store it in a refrigerator. And it will be all fine. You can play with it for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. And it's also very simple to make. If you want to make Oobleck 1.0, you can make. If you want to make Oobleck 2.0, you can make. It has like attached to the plate. That's a big block. I'm going to crush it. When you leave it gently, it just turns blue. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you, guys, and let's see you on another video. This is Aditya signing out. So thank you, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to Creativity Area and hit the bell notification button and click the like button. Thank you.